Hello and namaste everyone. Today I am back with tip number 4, which is messaging with Firebase including voice in Flutter. In this tip we will learn to record voice message and how can we send that recorded voice via chat messaging in Flutter with the help of Firebase. So let me show you what we will finally achieve at the end of this video. Once we will open this tip number 4, when user 1 tries to send audio message to user 2, he or she will have to click this mic button in this text field, right? So once he click this button, the audio will get recorded, and after as soon as he finishes his recording, he will have to lift this button and the audio will be sent like this I had sent previously. So when I tap this button for the indication like the audio recording has been started, I had put here a one custom sound. So once I click and hold this button, this sound will come and the audio will get recorded, right? And it will show here recording audio. And once I finishes to record audio, I will have to leave this button and the audio will be uploaded in the Firebase, and then it will sent to the user too, like this way. For now the audio length is 15 second. It will be sent to user 2 like this way, and once user 2 will click his chat, he will get the message. The one issue here you will get that from this emulator the mic will not be able, right? So for that, this is the empty the voice is not get recorded. I had tried that from mobile and I got my voice recorded. So let me show you that. I think that recorded voice will be in this recording.
Hello, 1, 2, 3,
Right.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Right, you are getting this message because of I had recorded it from mobile. Let me show one live demo, right? I'm recording that voice again from my mobile, and you will get here. Yeah, I had opened user 2 chat, and user 2 will send voice message to user 1. So let me show. If you like the video, then do please like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for more updates. Yeah, the message will be sent and I have recorded that voice.
If you like the video, then do please like, share and subscribe the channel and stay tuned for more updates.
Right, so this is the part which I had recorded from mobile. So let us dive in the coding part, right? So the basics are same as we did in tip number 2 and tip number 3. I am not gonna explaining that again. If you had any confusion or if you do not watch the video of tip number 2 and tip number 3, then do please watch that first, and then continue watching tip number 4. I had given the link in the description box. You can get it from there. So let us dive to the main gist of this tip number 4. So initially we will navigate to build list input, right? So build list message is the message. Whatever message has been sent previously, it will display in this build list message widget, right? And apart from that, let us first dive into this build input part, right? So in this build input part, we had what we had done. We had added a mic icon. So in mic icon, what we had done, we had used on long press and on long press in type, right? So as soon as the user presses this mic button and hold that button, the audio will get recorded, and as soon as he lifts that button, the recording will got stopped, right? So for audio recording part, we had used two packages, which is audio player and another one is record mp3. We will use that record mp3 in the start record function. So what audio player will do, I had used this audio player for the beep sound, like this one sound. I had used this audio player, and this audio player will play my custom sound, right? And once that sound is being played, it means the audio recording has been started. And after that, as soon as this sound got finished, the start record function will execute. In start record function, what I had done here is I had checked the permission for whether I have the permission to record the audio or not. And if I had that permission, I will start recording audio. And for recording that audio, I had used record mp3 function, sorry, record mp3 package, right? And by using that package, I will record the audio, and will save that audio to the custom or what we say, temporary path. After that, we had used stop record function. In stop record function, once you leave this mic button, your recording will be stopped, and that will be saved to a particular variable. We will calculate the duration of that audio, and thereafter we will use upload audio function, which will got uploaded to the Firebase, which will stored in this audio folder of Firebase storage. In upload audio function, like the way we had uploaded image in tip number 3, we will upload audio in the similar manner, right? We will upload audio in the audio folder of Firebase storage. So for that, I had passed here audio slash in audio folder, and that will be passed by using on send message, right? Sorry, that will be uploaded, and thereafter we will get the particular audio URL for storing that message in this message chat. So for that, once we get audio URL, we will send that audio URL using onSend message function. In onSend message function, we had used here the message type, which is audio. We will pass here value, and then we will pass here duration. So the duration has been used for the audio. So thereafter, the build list message function will come in execution. In this build list message, we had a type of audio, right? So in build item, when we get the message which is of type audio, right? So there we will show audio widget. In audio widget, we had passed here message content, which is the URL of the particular audio. Thereafter, is from whom the audio has been sent. Is it the current user or the another user? So for according, the bool variable has been passed, and the particular index is passed, and the time stamp for the time of the audio, and then duration is passed. So in audio widget, we had done here, we had shown this UI, we had shown the UI like this. So let us not dive to this UI part. We will just dive in the functionality. Like, what is the functionality mainly here is, once we click this play button, the audio will be played, and this white icon will be moving further as soon as the as simultaneously as the audio plays, right? So for that, we had done here, like once we tap this play button, it will change to cancel or play, right? So for that, I had used here audio controller dot is recording value is true, and if the audio controller dot current id is equals to index, we will change the play button to cancel button for the particular audio only. So for that, index has been used. In once we click this button, it will play the audio. So here, for that, we had called here audio controller dot pressed play button, right? And it will require the index and the message. So on pressed play button, this message is actually the audio URL. So URL has been passed here, right? So on clicking this on pressed play button, we had done here, we had set the current id value to id, with the id which we had passed, and we had used audio record for audio player service for playing the audio. This audio player service is the custom service which I had made here. So this is the audio player service. We are on this has the four main function: play, resume, pause, and release, right? So for that we had used here, and thereafter if it will play the particular URL, and thereafter on secondary tab it will stop the particular audio. So in audio controller part we had used everything by using getx, and we will manage the state from here. So for that is recording, if the audio is in recording state or is in sending state, all right. And this and accordingly there is the getter part, and thereafter this is the this part is about what we say this for showing this bar or whatever the audio recorder instance has been created. Thereafter the on pressed what is this on pressed play button. Thereafter we had calculate the duration here by using the value by using the in dot value and then start dot value in seconds, so that we had shown in here seconds, right? So this is the format for calculating the duration of the audio, and this is what we had done for the for playing the audio. So in a short, what we had done here, we had we had basically two visit, which is first one is build input, right, this part, and second one is build list message. So in build list message it will show us it will show the previous chat history, and according to the type of message, if the type of message is audio, it will show us this container, and how we will handle this by using audio controller file, right? And another part is build list part, right? Sorry, build input part. And on clicking this mic button we will start recording and stop, and on leaving this mic button we will stop recording, and the audio will get recorded and it will be uploaded to the Firebase storage file in the audio folder, right? And the particular and the respective URL will get added in the Firebase Firestore database, right? And from that we will fetch that particular URL and will play the audio like this way,
If you like this video, do
right?
please
So this
like,
is
share and subscribe the
so
video.
this is how we will record audio and send the audio message from user 1 to user 2. The code for this tip has already been uploaded in GitHub. If you want to read the article, then do go for the lakshydeep-14.medium.com, and all this link had been provided in the description box. Do check the description box. So this is all about tip number 4. If you like this video, then do please like, share and subscribe the channel, and stay tuned for the next tip. Thank you.